Vastu Guide for your furniture placement. In the living room, the placement of furniture according to Vastu Shastra can enhance harmony. Position your sofa against the south or west wall to promote stability and support. The coffee table should ideally be in the center, maintaining a clear space around it for energy to flow freely and encourage positive interaction. For a restful bedroom, Vastu suggests placing the bed in the southwest corner of the room. This position is believed to bring a sense of security and grounding. Ensure the headboard is against the south or west wall, which can help in achieving a peaceful sleep. In a child's room, the study desk should be placed facing east or north. This orientation is thought to boost concentration and learning. Ensure the desk is not directly in line with the door, as this can cause distractions. In the bathroom, the mirror should be placed on the north or east wall. This placement is said to reflect positive energy and enhance clarity. Avoid positioning the mirror directly opposite the bathroom door to prevent energy dissipation.